Here's how to see your Gmail password on your laptop or PC. So for that, you need to go ahead and launch your Google Chrome web browser or any web browser that you prefer, that you frequently use. Then after, go to google.com, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and select Manage Your Account. From this page, you need to select Security and Sign In from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between Personal Info and Google Password. Then after, scroll all the way down and select Password Manager. You can see that I have 41 passwords saved in my Google account. There are 41 sites and apps. Now scroll down and look for google.com or gmail.com. Go ahead and access this site, and you'll be able to see a list of Gmail or Google account username and password both. If you click on this eye icon beside it, you'll be able to view the password, or you can also use this clipboard icon to copy the password in your clipboard and use it to manually log into your Gmail or Google account. And another thing you can do is you can click on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, go to Settings. Now go to Autofill and Passwords. From here, go to Google Password Manager. Then scroll down and look for google.com or gmail.com. Enter the PIN of your PC or laptop, and then you'll be able to access the username and password both. You can click on this eye icon to view it, or use this copy icon to copy this in your clipboard and manually log into your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.